Check this out. I actually just got approved from my client to post this video, but he decided to do his before and after. As you can see here, he actually was wearing a hair unit before he decided to do scalp micropigmentation. And look at the comments. I mean, he's been getting a lot of positive comments that he made the right decision to shave his head, to do a shaved look, to buzz it down. And none of these guys knows that he had scalp micropigmentation, which is a great thing. If you're looking to do scalp micropigmentation, and one of the things you have to realize is that you don't want people to know you have it. That's number one. That's, if you see somebody with scalp micropigmentation and you notice it, more than likely it's not good results. So send me a DM if you have questions.